I'm sure you've heard the news. Mitolyn is making waves in the weight loss community. But does it really work? Alright, let's dive right in. Mitolyn is a new supplement that promises to help you shed those extra pounds. It claims to boost your metabolism, curb your appetite, and give you more energy throughout the day. So, what's inside Mitolyn? It's packed with natural ingredients like green tea extract, Garcinia cambogia, and L-carnitine. These ingredients are known for their fat-burning and appetite-suppressing properties. But let's talk about the real deal. Does it work? Many users have reported seeing results within just a few weeks. They've experienced reduced cravings and a noticeable increase in energy. Plus, the boost in metabolism helps burn more calories even when you're not working out. Of course, no supplement is perfect. Some users have mentioned mild side effects like headaches or stomach discomfort. And remember, supplements alone won't do the magic. You need to pair Mitolyn with a healthy diet and exercise for best results. So, is Mitolyn worth trying? If you're looking for a natural way to support your weight loss journey, Mitolyn might just be the boost you need. Always check with your doctor first though. Ready to give Mitolyn a try? Click the link below to learn more and start your journey to a healthier you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next time.